My name is Marion Forbes, and I'm the writer and director of Canary. I was just inspired by mental health and the creative process and how those things are so intermixed in my life, and thinking of ways I can get that on screen and express myself. I started my, filmmaking journey in architecture school. I took sort of film and art class and then film in architecture and the architecture and film course. That, to me, reshaped my head into thinking about film as a viable career choice. The reason I chose Louisiana Film Prize was I was just so excited to be a part of this incredibly enriching, enthusiastic film community in the state of Louisiana. I think it's just important to be able to have the space to tell your stories and to put yourself on screen and to really have that representation in such, hyper visible media as filmmaking is. Canary, I think, is a film that will speak to lots of different people who have been through, troubling experiences and have relied on art to pull them out of it. Viva la Film Prize!